Riverbanks Marikina is situated alongside Marikina River, and it is known for its role as a hub for economical, recreational, and commercial hub. Before it became the riverbanks that we know today, it actually used to be prone to flooding and environmental degradation. The Marikina government made initiatives to improve environmental life and sustainability of life here in the Riverbanks Marikina. And here are some of them. So in the 1990s, they created cleanup drives and reforestation. Regular river cleanups were initiated alongside with tree planting to restore the greenery here in Riverbanks. Next is the construction of dikes and river walls. This was in 1990s to 2000s. So dikes and retaining walls were built along the Marikina River to prevent flooding. Next would be the Marikina River Project. In 2009 to present, enhanced flood systems were implemented as well as improved drainage and pumping stations.
One way to make this park more sustainable is by improving the stormwater management. Currently, the park experiences flooding during storms, which not only disrupts the use of the park but can also damage the landscape. By upgrading the drainage system, can help prevent water from pooling in unwanted areas, reduce the risk of erosion, and ensure the park remains functional and safe for visitors. Even during heavy rainfall, additionally implementing features like rain gardens, permeable surface, and natural water retention areas could further improve the park's resilience to flooding while benefiting local ecosystem. Another idea is to add an educational sign around the park to inform visitors about sustainability efforts and encourage responsible behavior, such as picking up trash, using water wisely, and respecting wildlife.
Eco Park development and green spaces. Transforming sections of the Marikina River banks into eco parks and vibrant green spaces can significantly enhance sustainable tourism. These eco parks can feature amenities such as picnic areas, nature trails, bike lanes, and open spaces for yoga exercise. Community gatherings at the botanical gardens with native plant species not only beautifies the area but also supports biodiversity and serves as an educational resource for visitors. These green spaces can include dedicated zones for bird watching and relaxation, offering tourists a unique opportunity to connect with nature. By integrating sustainability, focused features such as rainwater harvesting system and low impact, community programs and renewable energy powered facilities, introduce eco-friendly activities such as kayak rentals, river cleanups, and cultural festival to attract tourists, and foster environmental awareness. Enhance the area with solar-powered lighting, charging stations, and eco-friendly restrooms, ensuring the convenience for visitors while reducing carbon emissions.